Let me show you how we can use the Pro mode in camera on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Z Flip 7 FE. So once we open the camera, we're gonna go to more, and over here, of course, we can find the Pro mode and Pro video mode, which is pretty much the same, but of course, one is for photos and the other is for videos. In the case, we're gonna actually focus with the photo mode over here. So in this case, we have additional parameters that we can use in order to adjust our photo, which is quite crucial in some cases, depending on what we want to achieve with our photo, what we want to capture. So let me quickly explain these parameters. So over here we have ISO, which controls how sensitive the sensor is to light. A low ISO keeps your photo clear in bright light, and a higher ISO helps in low light conditions. But too high ISO can add grain or noise to the photo. We can move left and right over here in order to adjust the ISO, and then it is manual, but we can tap on manual over here on the left side in order to switch it to automatic. Speed is the shutter speed, and it decides how long the camera sensor is open to capture light. And a slow shutter speed let in more light, which is good for night shots, but it can blur motion, whereas fast speeds freeze action, essentially. And of course, this also can be set to automatic. There is also EV, which is exposure, and this slider lets you adjust the overall brightness of your image. It's a quick way to make your photo lighter or darker. Then we have the focus. So over here we have center focus, multi-focus, and manual mode, and which we can adjust manually. And besides that, we have WB, which is the white balance, and white balance adjusts the color temperature, so whites look white and the colors look natural. If we move to the left, then we have bluish colors or cool colors, and if we move to the right, we have orange-ish or warm. And the EV or exposure is the only setting that is not that cannot be set to be automatic. For each of these parameters, we also have additional information by just tapping on this eye icon on the left side. So even if you forget something, you can check out over here, and it provides a pretty good explanation. Besides that, we have over here the matrix metering, we have spot metering, as well as the center weight metering with descriptions. And then we have the exposure monitor, which can be also used in certain situations in order to find out about these photos. And all this stuff can be found over here by tapping on these 4 dots, which is quite standard for camera modes. Over here there is also additional filters like the contrast, highlights, shadows, saturation, tint, and so on and so forth. And you can tap over here in order to find this graph for colors. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.